Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be planning out the week of September 23rd through 29th in my Hobonichi Cousin. And we are going to continue using this kit from the Coffee Monsters Co. Be Bold. And I still have plenty of stickers on it, so this is what we're going to be working with. And I thought I would go yellow. So I picked these yellow washies. I think these were from the most recent subscription from the Coffee Monsters Co. So I'm excited to get into it. And I'm using my TWSBI Eco, and I have this inked up with this new, I don't know if you can see the shimmer in it. It's gorgeous. It is a new Colorverse ink, well, new to me anyway, in Blue Dragon. And it has just the slightest amount of shimmer in it. So I am totally in love with this ink right now. It is my new favorite. So we're going to get started by putting just some washi down this week, and my thumb is green because I inked up that one and my green pen last night, and well, that green ink from Diamine is just hanging on there, but that's okay. Oops, guess that's a little slippery. Let's get this laid down. So how are you guys doing? That's my question. I finally got a little bit of a weekend, and it was lovely. I'm hoping to have a full weekend to myself next week. I ended up this weekend going to an estate sale to buy a table and chairs, a dining set for my mom. So myself, my roommate, and her mom, who's like my second mom, we are all like a little non-traditional family. We're going in together to get my mom a new dining set for Christmas because hers is falling apart. And she was very specific that she wanted a used one because she did not want us to spend a lot of money, which I'm fine with because let me tell you, this dining set we got is old and really well made. Much better made than anything these days. I think I'm going to continue the to-do list this week, although I didn't really use it much this last week. I don't think I can judge that though, because I don't think I really checked in much. So I'm going to try using it again, but maybe give it a little less room. Maybe we'll start it down around the 1. Because I just don't know that I need that much room. And I am not going to be doing any major tracking in my weekly spread because I'm moving my tracking to my daily spread. I do it. And I don't always remember to go back and do it in my weekly spread. I do reference my weekly spread often, but sometimes at the end of the night or at the end of the day, I just don't go back to it. Plus, by keeping it in my daily, it really kind of brings it to the forefront and reminds me, oh yeah, you're supposed to be doing this. Have you done it? No, you should get on it. And I'll show you what that looks like. All right. I love these little stars. Not stars, they're suns. I love these little sunshines. Let's see. So this is how I'm doing it. I'm just making a little box to kind of track it and make sure I've done what I need to do for the day. Okay, so now we've got to get some stuff put in here, and I think we're going to start with lessons. And I'm just going to use my music note stickers. You guys you probably know exactly what I'm going to use at this point because I do it this way every week. Here we go, and I bet you're surprised that I did not get my tweezers out. A sneak peek into my messy little bag here. Okay, tweezers. Let's see. Okay, I have all that in. I don't know if you can see the shift in this ink, but this ink is just gorgeous. I'm afraid it might just look blue on camera, but just trust me. And I got a couple of smudges there, but you know what? That happens. All right, so now I know that on Wednesday, which is my very long day, I do have a couple of little breaks in there to get some work done. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark that with these little computer tiny icons, because during those breaks, I'm gonna be doing some computer work. So I know I have a break at 9:30, and I think my other break is around 11. So we're just gonna put these two little tiny icons in here so that I can fill in what I'm gonna do a little bit later. But those are my 2 breaks. But it's pretty much a non-stop teaching day. And during this break, I'll also be eating lunch. Okay, so today I taught lessons this morning, and somewhere I have some little workout. Here they are. I was so proud of myself. I came straight home and did my workout, and I never do that. So I'm super proud of that. And we did strength training. And now I am filming this plan with me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in here. I also have some more stuff I have to do today. Let's see. Edit and schedule. Okay, so the next thing I'm probably gonna do is send video email and schedule my shorts. If you're not on my email list yet, I will link it down in the description below. But if you are on my email list, I send out an email every Monday with Monday's video. The Plan With Me's come out on Friday. I don't always send an email for those, but Monday is more of an educational video, and I send an email out every Monday with a preview of that. Okay, then lessons this afternoon, and then this evening we're kind of taking off. Now let's go to tomorrow. I know that I have a couple of appointments. I have a mastermind call, and I have OCIA, because I have OCIA every Tuesday. So let's see here. I think I'm going to use this little sewing machine for OCIA because those 4 letters are short and it'll fit. So that is at 5:30, really 6. So I'm just gonna put it here. I get there a little before 6, and students start getting there at 6:30. And then I have a mastermind call at 3:30. We're just gonna continue with the rainbow theme. I think that will be perfect. Okay, so that one's at 3:30. Let's see, what pen am I gonna use to write on this? Because it's not gonna be the fountain pen. Here we go. I'll use my Zebra Sarasa Dry. Okay, and my church class, OCIA, it's been like crazy this year. We had way more people than we thought, so we had to order more books. And then the post office lost our books, so then we had to get more sent in, and then those got delayed, but finally, everyone has books. Okay, everything else is pretty standard until we get to Friday. Now, Friday, I am busy. So I'm gonna fill these in and meet you back here. Okay, I thought it would be easier to just go ahead and fill those out. So to start with, Friday morning at 8 o'clock, I have a podcast interview. So we're gonna get that in. Then at 1 o'clock, I am I'm gonna be chatting with somebody that's gonna show up on this channel. Her name's Elizabeth, and spoiler alert, she has a planner, so you're gonna definitely want to check that one out. It's coming out, all of these interview series that I'm doing are coming out in October. I have one with a web designer, one with this girl who has a planner, one who specializes in systems, and then a 4th is TBA. I'm trying to do an extra video every week in October that's kind of like, business themed. Okay, and then at 2:15, I have, so that's like really right afterwards, I have a live stream with the Music and Marketing Summit. So I am a speaker at the Music and Marketing Summit, And for the VIP members, the people who paid for the summit and just didn't go free, they get bonuses. And one of those bonuses is a live stream Q&A with me. So I'm excited about that. Saturday, as of now, I have nothing planned. I'm probably going to get a nail appointment because my nails are really starting to grow out. But other than that, this Saturday is for me. That's just how it's going to be. It's my Saturday. And then finally on Sunday, I have Mass. Choir's back happening. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this down because this always takes extra time. So it gets a big sticker. Okay, so now we are going to get some of the bigger stuff in here. Getting out the big sticker book. I know that we have trash day, and I have some little trash emojis that I would like to use. I'll use one of those. There they are. Okay, so we're gonna start with these little trash can because today is trash day. Well, tomorrow's trash day. I have to take the trash out tonight. And then this is also recycling week. So I'm gonna use another one to remember to put the recycling out. We're gonna go ahead and write that in because I am in love with this color. The color, I can only describe it as somewhere between a blue and a teal, and just like Colorverse inks in general, there's some good shading, so you have some darker and lighter, but the shimmer shift in it is red. So you have this blue to red shift, and I'm gonna move this. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but oh, in person. If you have not tried this ink, I will link it below because I love this ink. Okay, and then on Friday, I know I'm going to have to go to the grocery store, probably the farmer's market, and I've got to figure out when I'm going to get all this in with an interview at 8 o'clock. So I think I'm going to try to go to the grocery store maybe around 10. So we're going to go ahead and put that in there. And then I also need to schedule my workouts. Which, of course, I've lost that little workout sticker. There's my meal plan sticker. Okay, hold please. Okay, so now to my workouts. I asked my train wheel coach to schedule them because, I have been struggling. And it's just not going to happen on Tuesday and Wednesday. I need to schedule my workouts on days that I can take a nap. So obviously that worked. I'm going to get one on Thursday, and I'm going to try to do exactly what I did today. I'm going to put it in just right afterwards. Now on Friday, it's going to be a little trickier to figure out when to get it in. I think I'm going to do it after the live stream because I need to look good for that, and I don't want to get all sweaty. Let's see here. I know, I need to look good for that, but people are paying. I guess they're paying to ask me questions, not to look at me. But, you know, that works. Okay, and then I need my work tracker in over here, which, let's just say, I did not use it all last week, but I am going to use this week. So I'm going to get that drawn in, and I'll meet you back here. Okay, that is in, and then the last thing I think I need to do is just do one of these to-do stickers, and we're going to stick with yellow because I'm enjoying this mostly yellow spread, which is funny. Yellow is not usually my go-to color, but apparently this week it is. And that's what I like about like planners and planner stickers. You can do your own thing any week you want. So, you know, milk and cookies last week. Nothing at all the week before. Oh, I did yellow again, but I changed the washi this time. So yeah, clearly I've been in a yellow mood. I think what it is I am willing fall to be here, And yesterday was the first day of fall and the heat index was almost 100. I don't like it, but we are supposed to get some cooler weather and I'm here for that. Let's do a couple of other things. I'm going to cover up the calendar. So I'm doing the things, just not in the order. I'm going to use the sewing machine. It's cute. It makes me happy. We're just mixing up the order of which we do things today. Let's see. There we go. And I think that's it for today. I will continue to fill things in as I go throughout the week. And until next time, peace out.